So today we will be discussing some of the things which we are doing. It was, it is a good day to start doing something for good. So just before I start giving you the technical terms and understanding of what we are doing here, um, I want you to know a couple of things, right? So I am a trader since last 7 to 8 years. I've traded in different type of markets, and stocks, commodities, bonds, and cryptos. Now, one thing which has struck me recently by looking at the situation and the death toll which is happening on people's life and the suffering which people are going through is that no matter how much financial gains I have, it is always going to be useless if other people uh, are not able to enjoy the similar level of um, richness of life, which sometimes we bring using the money. So I thought I'm a algorithmic trader, so I don't use my mind to trade. I use my mind to design clever algorithms. They scan the data and they identify a different type of patterns. They hedge the position, limit the risk, and then they deliver alpha as compared to the market. It's fairly simple. So what I thought is it would be a good start if I open my windows to open my window to the world. Since this is crypto trading, anybody in any corner of the world can do it. And what I'm going to do from here now on is free of cost. That means there is no charge. um, I'll not be looking for any financial gains of my own. It is a pure transmission of knowledge from my desk to your desk, if you're watching it. And if you have any questions, you can also post them on the comments. I'll try to answer them as we make more and more videos, and we'll try to address those from, especially you would be able to know how I have dealt with similar positions, like account blowouts and those phases of the market where it seems nothing works, and situations like that. So feel free to write those comments and messages on the comment box in YouTube, and I'll I'll make sure that I'll answer those as we move forward to our next journey. So for now, what I would like to show you is one of my algorithm which I use to run on my portfolio. I have created this algorithm to run it on a sample portfolio so that I can easily share it with everybody without any hesitation. So I have put about $1,000. It's 840 after charges and everything. So this was my balance today when I started, and we will be keep tracking how we move forward. So with about $840, we started the trading on the crypto, and if you see, at this moment we have 4 positions opened on crypto. You can see the sizes are different on each and every position. Some sizes are, if you see, are exactly 50%. Some sizes are a little different, and none of them are exactly same. So the what we do is we learn the market, learn from the market. We understand how's the volatility doing and how any crypto price is moving, and then we try to bring them to the same level. That means, let's say if you have Ethereum and Bitcoin, and if Ethereum is moving at a 2x speed as compared to Bitcoin, then the size of the Ethereum position is going to be half of what we have in the Bitcoin, right? So that both generate a same results, similar type of profit and loss. These techniques are used by pro traders to basically eliminate the risk or reduce the risk, I would say. And what we do is we also like to use methods where I'm long in 2 to 3 symbols, 2 to 3 coins, and I'm short on another 2 to 3 coins at the same time. So that helps us to mitigate the risk. If market goes down, we have the short positions which will help us out, and if market goes up, it will be the long position which will help us out. So in this given situation, right, in this beautiful situation today, we had our trade. Let me show you the order history. So you can see that we had XLM, and we had Ethereum, and we had it at around 2049, right? And right now the time, if you see, is we have well over past 12 hours, right? And so we bought things somewhere here in this region, and we are here. This is a Bitcoin, by the way. So let me walk through each and every position and show you how we are doing it. So this is a position for ADA. Let's hide all the symbols and let's look at just the, all right. So ADA, for ADA trade, if you look at it, what we did is we had one position open, which we closed it, we booked the profit, and we had a second position open at yesterday at 1324. So if you look at on 11th, right, somewhere here we identified that Ethereum price, Cardano's price are going to go up, and we initiated a buy position of about $440, right? The thought process behind the position sizing was that if it goes down, if it goes further down, it can easily break down this particular level, and if it does, I don't want to end up in a messy situation, right? So risk management is the key, which is done by algorithm very well, automatically. And you can see where we stand right now. Our entry price for this particular execution was 1.715. So it goes somewhere around here, right? So this is the price point where we have gone long, and looks like it's Cardano's is doing very good. Once we understand that either the Cardano's has gone way up, or Cardano is about to flip back, algorithm will close the position completely. So this is on Cardano's. Let me show you the next position, which is on BNB. So BNB, our latest position is open since 16/21/11. So this is 16/21. There you go, right? So this is the position for Binance BNB USDT. Again, this is a long position which has been created. The amount which we have used is somewhere around $463, and the idea was the volatility which is getting reduced. If you look at here, the spikes are very heavy, and then when you come here, you see the volatility is reduced, right? So since the volatility is reduced, risk is reduced, and if risk is reduced, that means you can have more money on the table on any given position. And if the upside is confirmed, that means if, let's say, if BNB breaks out, right, if the uptrend starts happening, we will see that BNB is exploding on the upside, not on the downside. So that's the thought process behind putting few extra pennies on BNB positions by the algorithm. I hope it's easy to understand. Then and again, just like before, if we see that the price of BNB is gone way high, or if it is started flipping back, we will exit our positions and book our profits and losses, whatever it is. We don't care about that. So that's BNB. Let's go to Ethereum. So Ethereum lately has been behaving much more different than Bitcoin and other cryptos. It has created its own all-time high, and it's pretty exciting time for Ethereum, especially uh, Ethereum 2.0 is about to on the horizon. So people are a little more bullish on Ethereum and putting more money on it. So I would not be surprised to see a pretty decent return. So if you see my returns here, on these positions, this is killing it. The Ethereum is killing it, right? And if you see the amount of margin which I have actually put in for this particular position is even smaller than these two positions, but it is killing it because people love Ethereum, and it has very good news about on the horizon. So we'll see how this goes further. But let's review our entry on the Ethereum, and we'll try to see how it looks like, right? So this is our Ethereum situation here. We bought it at on 11/20/49. So this is on 11 and this is on 20/49. There you go. So this is the price point which we have bought, about 309.84 ish. If I look at it, the execution which has happened is happened at 4010, right? So it's 40 and 10. There you go. So somewhere here, right? This is the region where we have bought it, and this is where it is going. Now the expectation for Ethereum is a very set goal by the algo, which it calculates movingly. So let's suppose if it is moving at a rate of 10 points, we have some certain calculations which understands where Ethereum should be, and if Ethereum goes above that level or it comes down below certain levels, we book our profit and losses and we come out. Right, so this is on Ethereum right now. We don't have any short positions. That's odd, since we expect short positions to happen, and we expect them to happen along with long positions. But looks like market is super bullish, so algorithm is not even bothering doing the risk management or shorting anything for that matter, right? So again, let's look at the stellar XLM position. So we can see here we have put smallest amount of chunk for stellar on the margin side. The stellar's position got opened on 23/40. This was the period, right? So 20 on 11th 23/40, so somewhere around here. So somewhere we have bought it somewhere around here. This is still a bullish, pretty much bullish, but XLM is known to disappoint. Much before Bitcoin disappoints you, XLM goes nuts. It just breaks down. Do you see these breakdowns here? This was the time when Bitcoin was going down and XLM just went crazy for some reason. So XLM is known to disappoint, and for that matter, we have reduced the position sizing, obviously, because the volatility was high here. And if you look at the position sizing, we have bought only worth of about $388. It's a very small position, right? And the average entry was about 0.71549, with some which somewhere here, right? Somewhere in this zone. So if the entire market does well, we expect that stellar also to pull up a little higher, and when it goes higher, it goes crazy higher. Do you see this? So this is the period where Bitcoin was like normal, neutral, and then stellar went crazy, and this is the period where Ethereum and Bitcoins are going up, and Stellar is like, I'm not bothering even, moving an inch. So these are all my positions right now open for today. We had a couple of positions, one or two positions closed on some other coins, some very new coins. I was a little nervous to see those, but Algo managed it very well. So you can see that Wi-Fi use Stati is there, and we bought it at a very good price. Sorry, we shorted it at a very good price, and we bought it at a very good price back. So we shorted about 74,445, and we bought it back at 74,300. The liquidity on this particular asset is super bad. So we were a little nervous to see that. And if you see the position, the confirmation was so good that algorithm took about $7,000 worth of position, and closed it. And this particular position executed between 1318 and 1339, right? So there are some areas where algorithm does a smart job of scanning through, understanding whether the liquidity is going up, liquidity is going down, whether the money is coming in the market or going out of the market, and we deal with those situations. So that's my review of current situations as of now. $63 of a profit on top of 480, and that's not bad, considering what kind of situation we are seeing at this moment, which is going on, right? And please do let me know if you have any other questions or queries or any comments. Specifically in crypto market, getting a 7% return, we are somewhere around 7%, 7.5% return with this. In a crypto market, getting 7.5% return is not, I would say, not a difficult job, but you have to manage the risk, and at the same time you have to get a better return. I could have got even much better return if I would have increased my position, but in that case I would have had a situation with my risk condition. If suppose market goes against me, it will be a very ugly situation, right? So what we do is we reduce the risk in such a way that we are not exposed for more than 12% drawdown. So combine our entire portfolio. We trade about 12 assets, and in our entire portfolio, algorithms past returns of about 4 to 5 years have 12% drawdown. And that's remarkable when you talk about crypto, because crypto drawdowns are crazy. They go from 30% up to 60, to some extent 70%, and those drawdowns we can't handle. So algorithms are designed in such a way that they reduce the risk, and in crypto, if you manage the risk, profit is all yours. No one will snatch a profit away from you. But if you don't manage a risk, believe me, you will get blown out by the market, and that will be a sad thing to do, since you will miss anything else which happens next, right? So that's my review for today. If you have any questions or queries, you let me know. On my next video for tomorrow, I'll bring up some screens on algorithm backtesting results, and I'll show you how our backtesting looks like, how's the profitability looks like, how's the situation looks like with our risk, and the total drawdown, and especially the return, how much return we had last year, and it's just to give you a hint, we had a 4-digit return last year, and on percentage, obviously, and and it's beautiful thing if I can help any of you to achieve the same on your portfolio. So this is just a offering from my side to all of you who are watching the video. join me. There is no cost, there is no fee. I run all my algorithms on Google Cloud Server, so I can have you will you will be paying just for Google Cloud charges, which is very minimal, um, and use my algorithm and help yourself out. It's just an offering. If you feel like that it has helped you in some ways, you can donate something, and to charity or to my foundation. And if you think that um, it has not helped you out, and if you don't like to donate, even that is fine. As long as it helps you to grow in your life, I'm happy. So having said that, that's all for today. I hope you guys stay safe, eat healthy, and stay happy. Thank you so much, and take care of yourselves and everybody else around you. Thank you.